So for everyone who don't join, they can rewatch this basically. So yeah, boss for today is I don't know what to say because we are like neutral. As you can see, we are from daily fair value gap over here. We have delivery, so we are coming from this daily fair value gap, which is pretty bullish sign, and we are near the all-time highs. As you can see, these are the all-time highs, and in order for us to go to new all-time highs, I really want to see this bearish fair value gap getting inverse to the upside. So in order for me to take longs to the all-time highs, I really need to see inversion of this 4-hour fair value gap. So if I don't see that, I'm not gonna look for longs towards the all-time highs, and basically the same thing goes on ES chart over here, as you can see. So ES even has a bigger fair value gap over here. So yeah, I'm gonna look for that. That's gonna be my main confluence to long the Nasdaq. And also, guys, I took winning position here, so we had sweep of liquidity. We had this inversion over here, which was instant inversion, V-shape pretty much, and I entered here, stop loss underneath, targeting this high over here for more than 1-to-1 risk to reward. So this was my trade from today, and yeah, I made some money on that. And also I got one break-even trade over here. I'm gonna quickly walk you through what I was looking for. Pretty much the same thing, AMD, which means accumulation over here. Bitcoin started to accumulate over here. We got a bunch of stop losses underneath these lows. So yeah, we had really huge amount of stop losses over here, and when all of them got swept over here, I just entered based of this inversion fair value gap, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for today. I'm gonna just quickly go to the Nasdaq chart over here. So yeah, on the Nasdaq, pretty much, I don't know, market is opening in 3 minutes. So if I see inversion of this 50 minutes, probably we can see a lower price action, because this 1 hour closed very bearish. Also, it's delivering from this 4-hour fair value gap. So yeah, fair value gaps are basically telling you the whole story. So if you are looking from this move to this move over here, we are delivering from premium. Is the same thing if you drag from here, from this swing high to this swing low, again we are delivering from premium of the range. So yeah, that's why I said that I don't have like clean buzz for today, but we are gonna see everything. This just started, so yeah. Wait guys, I just need to put this real quick. Okay guys, 2 minutes until the closure here, so we are gonna see what market is gonna bring to us. What should I see over here? Yeah guys, I really want to see, maybe we have even Asia highs and lows over Asia. Bro is watching me here on second stream. That's real, bro. Wait, give me just here. So yeah, 1 minute and 30 seconds before the closure, we are gonna see the only, like, imagine guys, if we had Asia low over here and London low over here, which got already swept. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but still it's gonna work out, I think, because we have kind of we have this fair value gap over here that is unmitigated. Sorry guys, we have this unmitigated fair value gap over here. So yeah, we are gonna see. Quick question, brother. How long did it take you to get the payout after passing your first evil, and how much did you pay? Did you pay yourself? What do you mean, Morty? How much did I pay myself? What do you mean? I didn't understand it. But how long did it take you to get the payout after passing? It's not always the same thing, but as sometimes price action is gonna be good for like month, 2-3 months, and I'm gonna literally smash the market. Sometimes I'm gonna pass the evaluation, then I'm gonna be in drawdown, and it really depends, so it's never the same thing basically. My high and low indicator says low is London low. What amount did you withdraw? I mean, it was my first payout around, I think it wasn't even on the futures, it was with forex firm, it was around it was actually almost $2,000, my first ever payout, but I lost way more before getting the payout, so I wasn't in profit, bro. Because you know that forex prop firms are like, if you want to get 100k or 200k account, you need to have like $100, bro. You need to have $1,000 for that. So yeah, I lost a really good amount of money on that. So guys, look at this. We have this over here. Like I said, I really want to see some lower price action, maybe sweeping out all of this liquidity over here and then delivering from this bullish fair value gap here, respecting the price, and then maybe move to the upside. We are gonna see everything, but yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for right now. I don't know, it's not very obvious. Bus is not obvious at all because we have a bunch of lows, a bunch of highs, and we are inside of this range. So if you zoom out and if you look at this picture over here, look at this range over here, guys. So we are just basically consolidating inside of these lows and highs over here. So I need to see at least breakout towards here or maybe even here and then take a setup. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Thank you, man. No worries, Morty, no worries. Okay, what is ES doing? They are correlated, which is something that I really like, guys, because usually when you don't see correlation being between those two pairs, between Nasdaq and ES, you're gonna see worse price action. So yeah. So this is gonna be probably my next general liquidity. If this candle closes bearish like this, I would love to see this as a new general liquidity, because we have also this BPR and this bullish fair value gap over here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. Briley wanted to short the 15-minute fair value gap. What do you mean you wanted to short 15-minute fair value gap? This one over here. Yeah, I wanted to short this as well, but as you can see, we didn't close. So yeah, and it was literally at 9:30 where market is opening. So it's never a good idea to place a position on in 9:30 or so, at 9:30. So. My gosh, I hear so many flies over here, bro. Okay, seems like this is gonna get respected, so alright, guys, this is very hard to read right now, even for me, because like we are delivering from bullish fair value gaps, we are delivering from bearish fair value gaps, and we are still inside of this range. So I really don't know what I'm gonna look for right now, but this is definitely not looking bearish right now. So what should I yeah, I'm gonna actually, yeah, I'm gonna go with one contract here. I'm gonna buy one contract here. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one contract here. Sell stop is gonna be here, like this. I really like this closure over here, so I want to see something like this playing out. So yeah, I got a very bad feel, and I'm gonna put it like this, something like this. So yeah, 1 to 1 or maybe even 1 to 6. So we are gonna see how is that gonna play out. Sell limit. I haven't just with one contract, it's not that deep. So yeah, we're gonna see, guys. 5-minute trade over here, 50-minute. Yeah, I really like this closure over here. So even though I said, guys, that I want to see this general liquidity, I really like this momentum going to the upside. So as you can see, look, this is crazy momentum going to the upside. So yeah, I just want to be on that side of the market, and I want to see here, I want to be break even on this break even. So we're gonna see what is ES doing, and probably, yeah, as you can see, ES is crazy pumping to the upside, so they are correlated as well. So yeah, pretty good trade, I would say. Nice. Okay, ES is pumping, so I'm gonna for sure go break even here, because ES took all these highs. I don't want to see hesitation. Oh my god, okay, I can't right now. Yeah, I'm gonna exit the break even here. I don't want to see these guys. I don't want to see price stalling around, so yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade. They're gonna probably be new 5-minute closure, or even maybe 2 minutes over here. Yeah, 2 minutes still didn't close, so I'm gonna see the market is gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna be patient. So guys, usually when you see this good momentum after the liquidity week, so this was literally the liquidity week over here, it manipulated all these lows at 9:30, and when you see something like this, you want to see fast price action going to the opposite side. But look at this right now is not fast at all, so probably this is gonna go even lower, we are gonna see. But that's the thing, you need to know how to read the market. So yeah, when I'm scalping the markets, I want to be fast in and out because I'm trading more based on momentum, I would say. So yeah, you can see that. So even if this plays out, like, it's not that big of a deal. Can you mute your phone? We're gonna see. But yeah, anyway, it was actually a good trade, but ES already took this high over here, so that's pretty fucked up over here. Do you see, guys, what I'm telling you? Like, even if this right now plays out, I don't care because oh my god, bro, this are so many flies. Even if this plays out right now, I don't care because when you see, like I said, guys, momentum to the upside, you don't want to see this, bro. Like, look at this, you really don't want to see this. If market is truly bullish after sweeping out everyone at 9:30, manipulating the price, sweeping these lows and delivering from this bullish fairly gap, you don't want to see that, bro, trust me. So I don't want to be even in the trade. So we're gonna see everything, but you can clearly see why is break even here, because break even is gonna save us a lot of times. Do you see, guys, what I told you? Like, break even is the most important part about my strategy, because I always like to go break even on the first internal highs or lows, because they can usually, when market sweeps the first internal high or low, because market is always moving based on liquidity. So this is your, let's say this is your uptrend, and if you want to take long, first market needs to sweep these lows. So market is going to sweep these lows, manipulate, and then you're going to enter the market, target the new highs. And what happens here, guys, market already took this high, which means if we are truly bullish, market should just pump to the upside, and that's basically the logic behind it. So yeah, let's see what's happening, guys, on the 1 minute. So on 1 minute we don't have anything, which is fucked up, I would say. Yeah, but this fair value gap is respecting the price nicely, so we're gonna see what if this fair value gap holds, we're gonna for sure see hard price action. So these are, like, I think relative equal highs over here. Yeah, they are relative equal highs over here. So yeah, let's see, guys, let's see. Pretty mixed buzz, I would say, and it's not even easy to read the price action today. If you do, you have Discord open up? So this is gonna be very tough price action today. I think that we don't have news. It's Friday, so yeah, no news Friday. We're gonna see everything. Right now I'm waiting for internal sweep and then long. Yeah, that will be actually fun. And if we can get 1 minute inversion to the upside here, that will be the best play for today's session. But I just don't think that we are gonna get it. So yeah, let's see. Maybe if this, do we have any 5-minute fair value gaps over here to work with? Yeah, guys, I really don't like how market is stalling around. Like, if we are truly bullish, we should see price pumping to the upside. We really don't want to see this, guys. Look at this, we really don't want to see this. I'm not like, it can play out towards these highs, but I'm not telling that, like, look, I know that this can play out, but do I want to be part of it? No, because I want to be fast in and out, because my trades are based on momentum and volatility in the market, and this is not something that I really like. So guys, look at this. wait, you need to see this, bro. My god, chilling with day ones, bro, chilling with day ones. Is anyone in the trade right now? Bro, look at these guys. Bro, trading is the best job ever, because you are literally like, you don't have boss, you don't have anything. You can be young and make money from whenever and whenever you want, bro. The best thing ever. First year or two are gonna be the hardest years because it took me like 3 years to master the skill, but after that, like, you are set for your life because you know what you're gonna look for. Do you see, guys, what I told you? Like, I don't know why market is just consolidating over here, but it is what it is. And maybe something like this, if we can see save to the downside, that will be internal manipulation, and then fair value gap like this, inversing the price, that will be sick because I would target these highs. But let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. And guys, if you are looking for the shorts right now, that's like not a bad idea because we are delivering still from this 4-hour premium of the range. But the thing is, if you are looking for shorts, like, what are you going to target? You're going to target basically the week over here. So this is like very bad drone liquidity because this week already took a lot of these lows over here. So it's not actually a good idea to target that. So yeah, pretty bad day, I would say. Not clean bars at all. I don't know if I'm even gonna take any trades today, but yeah. And to be honest, guys, I don't need to take any trades because I took this long position over here and I already made my money on my swing account over here. So yeah, as you can see, 1 2 2 restore or something like this. It was something like this, yeah. So I already made my money for the day and I don't care what's gonna happen. Bitcoin is also stalling around over here. We don't have a closure, and gold is also stalling around here. So yeah, market is consolidating really badly. So I'm not sure. If I'm gonna take any trades. And guys, let me tell you something. Like, every single trade in between this price section over here. So every single trade in between this price section in this range is not gonna be A plus because we are inside of the range over here. But we are gonna see. So that's I'm gonna only risk today 1 micro over here because 1 mini contract over here. I'm gonna only risk 1 because we are not in really good price section over here. So do we have any fair? Yeah, we have like small fair value gap over here. So yeah, and the thing is, ES already took these highs, so we have SMT at these highs. I think do we have it? Yeah, we have SMT at these highs, which is not good, but yeah, we're gonna see, guys. So SMT is created over here, so not good price action at all, bro. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, you can do it. This was a bad trade over here. If he had like, if he had bigger yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take any trades, guys, over here. Bro. Okay, guys, I don't think if I'm gonna actually take any trades anymore because the market is just consolidating over here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna take any trades here. Maybe this 2 minutes. We are gonna see how this federal gap is gonna react in the market. So Did Nico quit trading? No, he's here. He's literally trading on his laptop over here, but he's not streaming. He's not streaming anymore. He's focused on other things, so yeah. And actually, what do we have? Yeah, we have this data over here. Guys, look at this Java. He's jumping in the pool all the time, bro. What should we see here? Yeah, this momentum is looking nice, guys. I like this momentum. If you're gonna see, we have also SMT over here with these highs. So, what should we see here? Like I told you guys, if I'm gonna take any trades today, that's gonna be only like with one contract because I don't want to risk my full position today. Market is really in bad position here. We are still in this consolidation, so I'm gonna take probably only one contract here today. And also I don't have clear bus at all, so we can either see longs or shorts. I really don't know right now what I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna base today my trade on momentum pretty much, so yeah. I'm gonna see what the market is gonna tell me and how this Federal gap is gonna respond over here. Did he refund his premium members? Yeah, of course. He just deleted his account from WAP, so you can't even buy premium. I'm gonna mark all these fair value gaps over here, so we're gonna see. The mark, is this recording, bro? Yeah, it is. Right, nice. Okay, so we can still see that the market is respecting this. Like I said, guys, today I'm gonna base my trade on momentum. So yeah, probably we can see this maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one contract here. Okay, I'm gonna try something like this. Okay, stop loss is gonna be here, and I'm gonna target. This is gonna be break even, and I'm gonna probably target something like this, 1.7. Sell stop. Let's go. Okay, yes, took this high, so I'm gonna go break even here, and the rest of position is gonna run towards these highs. I'm gonna have one sell limit here and like this. Yeah, let's go. And the reason why I went break even here is because we have SMT over here, these highs, so you can see over here. So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I went break even here. Like I said, guys, I'm scalper, so probably a lot of you are gonna look at this live stream are gonna be like, oh, you said that you are looking for shorts, but you took long or something like this. Yeah, guys, I don't have clear bus today, and that's why I went only with one contract over here, because this is not A+ trade, and that's why I'm sizing down. So it doesn't matter as long as you are keeping your risk management in place. So keep that in mind, guys. And also, this is like $300 in like times 12 accounts, so that's gonna be huge profit. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just target 1-to-1 today, something like this. Let's see. All right, we are break even, so we are risk free, but this is not looking good right now. All right, let's see. All right, I'm still not stopped out, bro. Oh my god, I'm still in, and alright, still in, bro. Did you enter this trade? Guys, I'm teaching him how to trade over here. He is also interested in trading, and he wants to make profits like me, so I'm teaching him everything that I know. Oh my god, we didn't get stuff out here, bro. This is gonna be probably trade profit, I don't know. Oh my days, look at this trade, bro. Nico, yo. Can you put the cam on here, please? Yo. Come on, fast, bro. It's gonna get TP hit here. Come on, bro. This is gonna be sick. Video. I'm gonna go with take profit here on this. No, bro. You need to record, Nico.
But I have to fucking manage.
He's also in the trade. Bro. Did you take this one or? Guys, he also took this trade over here. Wait. Let's go. TP is gonna get hit. Let's fucking go.
Hit, bro.
Let's fucking go. Price is stalling around, but
Oh my God.
I'm just gonna close this manually. For
Let's go.
yeah, market start a week around. I'm gonna just close this manually. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna close this trade because market is really bad here. I'm gonna take my profits here, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to be in this position anymore. Probably this is gonna be a break even right now. I'm not sure. So you didn't take this one, bro. He was late, guys. I know this is negative risk to reward, but my win rate is like 90%. So you can do the math here. So if my win rate is 90%, you can literally I'm gonna win 9 out of 10 trades, so I don't care about risk to reward. Usually my risk to reward is 1 to 1.5, but today market is just stalling around, and I just want to take my piece of pie over here. So that's gonna be it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. I don't want to stay in this price section anymore. I made around like $4,000 today across all the accounts, and $2,000 on my yeah, I saw that. And also I made like $2,000 on this sync position, so that's gonna be like $6,000 a day for me, and I really don't want to stare at the charts anymore. So that's gonna be it, guys, for today. Thank you for joining, and yeah, for all of you who are gonna rewatch this stream, just keep in mind that usually I take 1 to 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, but look, is it better to take profits here or to be stopped out to break even? So that's what I'm telling you, guys. This is picture perfect example. Like, as long as you keep your risk management, as long as you are as you keep your win rate high like I do, you're gonna be fine. So yeah, guys, maybe this short is gonna play out here. I don't know, maybe it's gonna play out, maybe it's not gonna play out. I really don't care because market is just right now. Like, look at this is huge mess over here, and I literally made $6,000 today, and I really don't want to risk my money anymore. Weekend is here, Friday is over. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this stream. Thank you for joining, and I'm gonna see you the next week. Bye.